Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another unboxing of a tarot deck. I'm so excited. So I have been waiting for this deck impatiently to be released for like a year now. When I found out about it, I was super excited, and I don't know exactly when it was supposed to come out or the technicalities of the dates, but I just saw that I could order it and it came and I'm so excited. It is Barbara Moore's The Wizard's Tarot, and this is illustrated by, forgive me, Meike, I don't know, Janssens. Again, I apologize, I do not pronounce names very well, but look at how amazing this looks so far. This is like substantial. This retails for $29.99, published by Llewellyn. I will link everywhere that I know that you can find it down in the description box below. Again, this is not sponsored. I paid for this out of my own pocket, so this is a very honest review and unboxing for you guys today, which I'm so stoked about. So look at how cute. Oh! Okay, so that's the back, and it says, master your magic with this dazzling deck of wizards. So it is based on the Rider-Waite-Smith deck, and Barbara Moore is fantastic. She has a ton of books, or decks, I should say, under her name, as well as a few books. It's 78 cards and a 244-page full color book. Okay, let's get it open. All right. Oh, look at that. Okay. This has the potential to be my new favorite deck. Just saying. And those of you who have followed my channel for a while know that I love me a good ribbon. So let's take a look. That is a nice book. Oh my gosh, the cards. Oh, look at the little inside of that. Ah, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is substantial. It's got a magnet on it, which is fantastic. This reminds me a lot of my Everyday Witch tarot box, so they're very similar in size. I think they are the same size, and they're the same kind of latch. So again, they're both published by Llewellyn, so that's amazing. I'm excited, and I will do a review on the Everyday Witch tarot soon. I have not forgotten. I will do it, because that, again, that is my #1 deck for right now. But let's get into this one. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna put that over there. Oh my gosh, okay. So this is all color, which is fantastic. Oh my gosh. All right, so we have the Tarot and Wizards, so about, I guess, and then reading the cards, the major, the minor arcana, the court cards, spreads, and the magical path. Okay, cool. Ah, look at that. Okay. So let's see if there's anything crazy that jumps out at me that we need to know. But just look at I love it. Okay, so it's full color. It's amazing. It looks like it has the keywords, the reversals, the meaning, and advice. That is super cool. Okay, all right, so how about we get into the cards? I'm like a 5-year-old, a kid on Christmas. This is exciting. Oh my goodness. I have scissors right in front of me. Hello. All right. I'm too excited, guys. This is crazy. I don't get particularly excited about a lot of decks unless I've been waiting for them for a while, or they're by authors that I love, people that I love. So I'm excited about this one. This is the back, and that's similar to that little insert we saw. That is gorgeous. Little dragon. Okay, let's get into it. All right, the Fool. Make sure it is not gonna blur on you. I love the titles down at the bottom. Okay, does that not remind you of Mickey Mouse and the Sorcerer's Apprentice? That's awesome. All right. So the cards are a little on the thin side, but they're not terrible. They are not terrible at all. They feel good in the hand. They glide really nicely from the hand. They're a little glossy. And so far, I am loving this high fantasy artwork. This is just, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully there's not too much of a glare from a ring light there. How fantastic are these? I can't wait to see how they shuffle. I'm pretty sure they're going to shuffle a lot like my Everyday Witch Tarot. I like to point out the Devil card and the Death card a lot when doing these unboxings and reviews, because a lot of people see them as these terrifying cards, when in reality, most of the time, they're not that terrifying. Like this one doesn't seem to be too terrifying. It's a card about temptation and, you know, things that we know we shouldn't do that are not really the best for us. So it's not necessarily a horrible card to pull. That tower's cool. These are just gorgeous. Wow. Gorgeous. Okay, so we're in the wands. I'll go a little bit quicker. I just wanted to get the feel of how, so we're doing the aces. That's what, okay. I was like, what's going on here? So I guess we're just going through each suit by their numbers, which is fine by me. That is really cool. I like the boats in the distance. Do you see that? Very cool. I really am enjoying these artwork pieces here. I'm loving it. I really do feel as a beginner, this would be fantastic for you. If this is your first deck, if this is a deck that calls to you, definitely pick it up. For a minute there, that looked kind of like Johnny Depp. So, like, as I was saying, I really do feel like this could be a great first deck or beginner deck for everybody out there. Pardon the motorcycle in the background. I feel like you can use your intuition really well with these. And I think that that book, the guidebook, is going to be such a great tool to use with these as well. If you are into witches and wizards, this is fantastic. High fantasy. I really am enjoying all of this. This is fantastic. Wow. Really cool. Kind of going a little bit faster now. Now we see the court cards. All right. I just can't get over how pretty these are. Very cool. Yeah, beginner friendly, intermediate friendly, whatever you're starting out or you're expert. Perfect cards for any level. Like I said, the cards feel good in the hand and they're a little bit glossy. Let's see how they shuffle. Yeah, they're just like my Everyday Witch. The same kind of feel, the same size, and I keep dropping them. But yeah, they shuffle really well in the hand. Let's go ahead and see how they shuffle as regular cards. And again, however you choose to shuffle, it's up to you, whatever works best for you. There's no right or wrong way. You can throw them all on the table and mush them around and pick what you want. There's no right or wrong. There's just only what feels right for you. And these are fantastic. I love these. All right, so how about we pull a card and see how it will read in the, okay, we got Knight of Swords. All right, Knight of Swords. So the court cards are in the back here, and it says keywords: warrior, quick, confident, immature, somewhat experienced, logical, rational, intelligent, communicative, decisive. So, knights are very focused on a specific task and may not be aware of everything going on around them. Understand their goal is to either engage or avoid them. Smart, excellent communicators and lover of facts, the swords are idealistic but can become too committed to what they consider the truth. When convinced that their view is the truth, the knight will fight for that truth with everything she can. Her formidable logic, skillful arguments, and sometimes cherry-picked evidence. She holds as tightly to her ideals as she does with her sword. A warrior of words, she can create amazing, beneficial change in the world, or she can destroy a person with blunt observation and sharp words. She doesn't have strategic experience, but what she lacks in a long-range vision, she makes up for in speed. All right, so I wanted to take a look at their spreads here to see what you guys can expect. Tarot cards are like parts of a story. The question tells us what the story will be about. The spread used is the plot and how the story is told. The cards and their interpretation tells the story. You bring the questions and the interpretation. You have your cards and the meanings. All you need now are the spreads, and then you can start weaving your own tales. That's pretty cool. All right, so we have single card reading, 3-card reading, Celtic Cross, which is here, and supporting transformation. Ooh, your best self, true magic, the alchemic, me and words, yeah. Laugh all you want. Girl, I can read, I just cannot pronounce it. Spread, and that's it. All right, so it can be used like any other deck. The wizardly aspects do not negate or override traditional tarot meanings. In this chapter, we'll look more closely at some of the symbols used in the cards and some of the wisdoms they hope to share. For many tarot readers, here's where the awesome potential of tarot is found. The real power of tarot is not telling the future, but telling you who you are, because who you are will determine your future. All right, guys and gals, this is amazing. So there's a lot of information in this book, obviously, and I feel like it goes, oh, look it. So here's an overview of each number. That is so cool. I'm just super excited. So I'm like a little all over the place, because usually unboxings for me, with things that I'm excited about, I'm just like, I want to see everything all at once. But this is fantastic. Is it worth $29.99? Absolutely. There are a lot of decks that, grab the card on the ground. There are a lot of decks that are expensive or on a higher price range, but this is a really good price range for what you're getting. The cards shuffle beautifully. They're thin, but they bounce back. They're gonna last you a while. I'm really hard on my cards. So for an example, these are my Everyday Witch Tarot, which I have beat up because I use them practically every day, as the name suggests. So they still work fabulously. They're about the same size and about the same thickness. And honestly, I don't have a problem with them at all. The only thing, there's one card in here that fell on the floor, and somebody, we're not naming names, but somebody stepped on it and on accident, and that's okay, and it got crinkled. So, there it is. So it's a little crinkled. That's the only issue I've had with these cards, and their thickness, I should say, their cardstock. And that was a complete accident. So I love these. I think they're perfect. I think they're great for beginners. I think they're great for any level of experience. I think they're fun. I think there's a lot of information to be had here. Barbara Moore is fantastic as far as an author of tarot guidebooks and tarot decks. I love it. And this author, or this illustrator, and I cannot pronounce her name for the life of me, is fantastic as well. I really enjoy the artwork. I'm super excited to play around with these and connect with them. And yeah, let me know what you think. Were you excited to see that these were out and available? Is this kind of a deck that you're interested in? Is this your cup of tea? Let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I'm super excited about this. I didn't think I would love it that much, but you know, you like what you like, and I'm so happy right now. I'm so excited. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go and play around with these for the rest of the night and see how amazing, again, they are. So you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you think about this deck and if it's something that you're excited to purchase. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.